Okay, dear student, welcome to the class. So today discussions to the non-profit organizations problems. Previous calls also discussed for the new non-profit organization problem. They prepare to the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So today also discussed for exercise problems of the non-profit organization. The discussions for the fourth problem of class. So here, Tennis Club of Hubballi was started from 1/4/2012. It's prepare its receipts and payment account for the year ending 31/3/2013. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1/4/2012. ಸೊ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ 31/3/2013. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅವರ್ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ 31/3/2013. So open the receipts and payment account. There are 4 columns. First one, the left side is a receipts and rupees. Right side is payments and rupees. The other debit and credit. So debit and credit, they prepare they are asking by the problems. They explain the 1 second for the problem. So take for one by one. The first the discussions to the payments item, because the payments will be they counted for expenditure item. So some expenditure they treated for income and expenditure, that is the expenditure side of the our total the points of the one by one. Okay, they discuss our first one by salary. So salary also they received for the, it is a one of the expenditure. It is a treated for the income and expenditure ಅಲ್ಲಿ expenditure side ಅಲ್ಲಿ treat ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. So salary, it is a working for rendering to the services for the worker, the giving by the some salary, the purpose of rupees 72,000. So that 72,000 is transferred to the income and expenditure, means expenditure side will be treated for the salary. Otherwise there is some adjustment is given for outstanding salary. So you see for the adjustment number 2, so outstanding salary rupees 24,000. So outstanding salaries means 24,000. It is a had for the total salary. So total salary 72,000 plus had for 24,000 of expenditure side of income and expenditure account. So next point is tournament expenses. So the tournament expenses also one of the expenditure is given by the tournament fund is received by the our problem. So here the tournament fund, it is a one of the fund they related between by the our sports activities. So tournament fund is received or transferred to the balance sheet of liability side, but tournament fund deductions of the value of 76,000 of tournament expenses. So here tournament fund is received for the our value. So here 1 lakh rupees of tournament fund. So 1 lakh rupees of tournament fund, the balance sheet of liabilities side take for the 1 lakh and the deduction of the value of 76,000 of the our tournament fund value. So next one, rent. So rent is given they used of the our building or in case of the working of the place. So here the rent paid by the our purpose of they used or uses to the our building. So that purpose it is they given they treated for the expenditure of the rent. So that rent is a transfer to the expenditure of income and expenditure account. So rupees 24,000. So other than for in case of any outstanding rent is received, they compulsory for take for the expenditure side rent, outstanding rent is add. There is no outstanding rent is given, directly 24,000 is expenditure side is treated. So again next point is printing. So printing and stationery, so that is also one of the expenses. It is some expenses of treated of our club activities. So that purpose it is a expenditure they given by some, it is a income and expenditure side treated for expenditure item rupees 10,000 for the inner column, because there some outstanding printing of rupees 10,000 is given. So take for the had for total 10,000 plus 10,000 of the printing expenses, outstanding expenses they had for the total take for the outer column of the printing and stationery. So next one point is function expenses. So function expenses, it is one of the expenses, it is treated for the expenditure side of income and expenditure account. So here first one for the honorarium. So honorarium, it is one of the, it is a payment to render to the services for the worker or donor. It is also the received for 1,40,000 amount is paying. So that amount also they render to the expenditure. That is also they treated by the expenditure side to the 1,40,000. And other than for others expenses. So other expenses nothing but is small or petty expenses in the our non-profit organizations or clubs. So here that amounts also treated to rupees 40,000 is, it is a expenditure of expenditure and income and expenditure account will be treated for expenditure side rupees 40,000 means 1,40,000 and 40,000 will be total 1,80,000 will be take for the outer column. So next coming for sports equipment rupees 2,54,000. So you see sports equipments also the equipment's value that will be transferred for the balance sheet in case of the given by the some adjustment for the closing stock of our sports equipment. So you see sports equipment values of our amount is given 31st/3/2013 the value of rupees 2,04,000. So 2,04,000 will be closing stock of our sports equipment value. So deductions of expenditure side, income and expenditure account will be treated for expenditure side. So a sports equipment rupees 2,54,000 the less for 2,04,000. So outer column deductions of 50,000 is coming. So total 50,000 it take for the outer column. Next will transfer for the sports equipment for the balance sheet of the asset side. Balance sheet of asset side take for the 2,54,000 and deductions of the less value 50,000. Okay, depreciation amount to take for expenditure side alli depreciation anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ 50,000 ನ 2,54,000 minus 50,000 reduction ಮಾಡಿದರೆ rupees 2,04,000 is coming for the closing value of the our balance sheet of asset side ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 2,04,000 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2,04,000 2,54,000 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 50,000 is expenditure will be treated. So again next one furniture. So furniture is it is one of the asset for the purpose of the club activities of the non-profit organization. It is also the fixed asset. Some fixed asset will be transfer of the balance sheet in the asset side. So rupees 1,28,000 in case is given by the adjustment of depreciation value of the furniture, either 10%, 20%, 5% you take for multiplications of the our total value of the furniture. So in case of amount also given by the our adjustment, so that amount or percentage will be given same the calculations of the total furniture value. So that amount also depreciation amount transfer to income and expenditure account nalli they treat for expenditure side to depreciations of the furniture. Okay na, there is no depreciation amount is given, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂಥ depreciation amount ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ directly transfer to the balance sheet for the asset side 1,28,000. Next postage. So some postage also the postage active postage nothing but a transfer to the communicate between for the our some documents are transferred to one person to the another person. That purpose used for the 3,000 rupees of the postage value. So postage value or in case of adjustment is closing post on hand. You see for postage stamp on hand rupees 400. So given by the income and expenditure account for the expenditure side of rupees postage inner column of rupees 3,000 less 400 rupees will be deduction. So that 400 rupees deduction remaining amount 2,600 of the outer column of expenditure side. So in case of remaining 400 will transfer of the asset side of the balance sheet. Closing stock or closing post in hand anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So next one coming for point, fixed deposits in bank rupees 3 lakh. So fixed deposit means some purpose of uses to the bank either deposited for the some amount, that amounts will be treated for the current asset. It is a transfer to the 3 lakhs rupees is balance sheet of asset side. So next one coming for cash balance. So cash balance is nothing but one of the balances. It is also treat for the 19,000. So 19,000 will be transfer of the balance sheet for the current asset. It's nothing but asset side will be transfer. It is a point is current asset, that also they treat for either balance sheet of current asset side ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು 19,000 ಮತ್ತು 3 lakh. 3 lakh side 19,000 will be transfer of the balance sheet in asset side, because the 2 points is the current assets ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. So that is the over of the payments, nothing but expenditure is over. Next coming for the receipts and payment account will open for the receipts item. So receipts is nothing but it is a income or revenue of our organizations or clubs or trust. So you see other receipt items also one of the given by the each and every one points. So each and every one points is received by the first one for endowment fund. So endowment fund, it is a one of the fund the received for the purpose of the used by the fund some activities of the non-profit organization. So that purpose also the used for the endowment fund. It is a treat for the either balance sheet of liability side. So balance sheet also liability side for the endowment fund rupees 2 lakhs will be transfer either treated for the capital fund. So next again tournament fund. So tournament fund also the very important, the carefully observations of the tournament fund, some tournament or sports activities of their non-profit organization, other tennis club of Hubballi related for the our tournament fund received for rupees 1 lakh. So that is also they treated for the 1 lakh rupees of tournament fund. It is a balance sheet of liability side, take for inner column of amount, because tournament fund inner column rupees 1 lakh, the payment of expenses is there. What are the expenses? 76,000 is tournament expenses is there here. So tournament fund 1 lakh rupees of balance sheet alli liability side inner column less tournament expenses is a deduction of 76,000. Remaining amount of the transfer of the outer column of balance sheet. So next point is our entrance fee. So entrance fee is a one of the capital fund, because the entrance fee or admission fee is received by the our firm or non-profit organization. It will be treated for the our capital fund, means nothing but it is a income value, treat for income or revenue, that is the amount of rupees 6,000. But you see income and expenditure account ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ third adjustment. You see entrance fee and life membership fee are to be capitalized. So entrance fee and life membership fee are to be capitalized. So capitalized items, it is a treat for entrance fee. It is also transferred to the balance sheet of liability side. So balance sheet of liability side treated to the capital fund. So capital fund balance sheet ಒಳಗ capital fund ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೀ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫೀ rupees 60,000. So life membership fee means nothing but any trust or organizations, or in case of club members of non-profit organization, it is issued by the our subscription to the membership fee of our member to the our donated for the life. It means nothing but it is amount is treated for the our capitalized or capital fund. So that capital fund is also treated for the balance sheet in the liability side for the capital fund. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಫೀ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ 60,000. ಸೊ 60,000 ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So next coming for point 1, next point, donation. Rupees 4 lakhs is given by our Hubballi Sports or Tennis Club of Hubballi anta kottidare. So donations, it is a one of the our payment, or in case of the lump sum amount they received for the our donor. It means on the purpose of the our special donation or the some purpose of general donation. For in case of special donations received by the our problem, for the purpose of specific of our, in case of our donations of the building, donations of swimming pool, etc. Other than general donation, it will be calculated about for general donation either small amount, or in case of the big amount will be considerations of the capital receipt. It should be transfer of the our either in case of the income side of the income and expenditure account. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. So you see, subscription, it is a one of the income or revenue of our non-profit organization, because when they open the club or organizations or trust for the member, compulsory for the arrears of the subscriptions amount is received or fee is paid by our club or in case of our trust. So here the subscriptions amount of rupees 60,000, it is also transferred to the income and expenditure account, income side. So income side by subscription, inner column of rupees 60,000. ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 60,000 ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್. So you see, outstanding number 1 adjustment, outstanding subscriptions of rupees 40,000. Outstanding subscriptions of rupees 40,000 is given. So that amounts also deductions are less to the subscriptions value. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 60,000 60,000ದಲ್ಲಿ 40,000 ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 20,000 ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. So after remaining value, in case of any subscription amount of in advanced is received, in case of any subscription advance for the next year ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 60,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 40,000 ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 40,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 lakh rupees ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ 1 lakh rupees ಲೆಸ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಔಟ್ರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 60,000ನ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 60,000 rupees ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನ 40,000ನ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಔಟ್ರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. So fee from functions, it is a one of the income or revenue of the our non-profit organization, because when the member of our functions or in case of fee they deposited or payment to the our trust or clubs, so that amounts also they concentrate to the, it is a treat for 2,40,000 is income value. The transfer of income and expenditure account ನಲ್ಲಿ income side ನಲ್ಲಿ 2,40,000 ಅಮೌಂಟ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ 10,66,000, 10,66,000 is the receipts and payment account is given. So after the related for the adjustments also given, so outstanding subscriptions also over and outstanding expenses, salary, printing expenditure ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೀ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟು 31/3/2013 ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ 2,04,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ 2,54,000 ಇದೆ. ಅದರ 2,04,000 ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 50,000 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆ 50,000ನ ಔಟ್ರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2,54,000 ಲೆಸ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು 50,000 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ 50,000ನ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಔಟ್ರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ 2,04,000 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ದ ಪೋಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ 400 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 3,000. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 3,000ದಲ್ಲಿ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 400 ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 2,600 ಈಸ್ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ 400 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 400 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆನ್ 31/3/2013. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿವಿ. ಹೌದಾ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 1 by 1 equations or points will be varies transfer for the our income and expenditure account other than for balance sheet of the transfer. In case of income and expenditure account for the prepared by the other surplus and deficit amount. So after balance sheet will prepare by the liabilities and assets also. So here very carefully observations prepared by the exercise problems of our asking by the 12 marks question of non-profit organization. Okay na, right. So right, there will be next class discussed for the our non-profit organization. They asking by the problems of receipts and payment account, and the discussion for the our prepare income and expenditure and balance sheet. So income and expenditure account and balance sheet will be the preparations or solutions for the discussions to the next class for the our income and expenditure and balance sheet. Okay, thank you.